Good evening, folks. It's Diamond with the Oppenheimer Ranch Project, Magnetic Reversal News, Yurt Life, and many others, including Shinrin Yoku, bringing you a grand solar minimum update the day after Christmas, Tuesday, December 26th, around 7:30 p.m. 2023. A large coronal hole is about to face Earth, and that may unleash some seismic activity. But first, Merry Christmas, in case we forgot to wish you a very Merry Christmas. Keep calm. It's boom time. Blizzard and ice storms slam the northern plains and snarl travel. That's to say the least. A blizzard warning is in effect through 5 a.m. Mountain Time tomorrow for some 600,000 people across 5 states, hitting South Dakota and Nebraska the hardest. In fact, a major Nebraska interstate closed as jackknife tractor trailers blocked the snowy roadway. And here we can see over on the tweeter, which we tweeted earlier today, that accident. And here's today's albedo map. The areas in color have snow cover in the northern hemisphere, quite a bit in Russia, picking up for where we're lacking in Canada. Take a look at those totals there. Absolutely spectacular. As a winter storm with blizzard conditions in the central U.S. continues into Tuesday, a major winter storm will continue to impact parts of the northern central plains and upper Midwest with heavy snow, freezing rain, and strong winds through tonight. The combination of heavy snow and strong winds up to 55 miles per hour will produce blizzard conditions for central South Dakota into parts of Nebraska, Kansas, and Colorado, resulting in difficult to near impossible travel. So if you don't have to travel, stay indoors. And we'll take a look at the GFS model. That is the remaining snow from that system as it peters out here through Thursday. Take a look at that. So there'll be some snow lingering through Wednesday as another system moves into the Pacific Northwest, bringing some snow all the way down into the Sierras by the end of the weekend. And if we move the model forward through January 1st, 2nd, and 3rd, and into the new year, it looks like it could be potentially snowy, especially for the East Coast. Seismic update, no quakes of note. General uptick in activity, low level. We do have some activity here in California that we are keeping a close eye on. As we move over to Iceland, the eruption has ceased, but it's not over. There will be another fissure eruption as the uplift continues near Grindavik. Here is the seismic tremor. Here is the last eruption in this peak, which is what we're waiting for to happen any time now. Worldwide volcano news update. Not much to report. Nevado de Ruiz to 19,000 feet. Ducono to 7,000 feet today. We have Marapi with an A puffing to 15,000. Liwotobi also coming in there. 8,000 foot puff. Ibu to 7,000. And not much going on, but there is an uptick at Novato de Ruiz in Colombia, an uptick in seismic activity. So could be an eruption there coming soon. Space weather news. Well, the outlook is bleak. The sun is running out of spots as they all turn around the limb. We do have a plage turning around here, but nothing significant. No flaring over the last 48 hours. Just minor. So the only player is this coronal hole number 86. Will be Earth facing in a few days and geo-effective. So in about 2 or 3 days from now, we could have a seismic uptick. And all depends if this coronal hole stays that large. So stay tuned for more updates. NASA launches a mission to intercept the God of Chaos asteroid before it scratches Earth's orbit. Now this asteroid is named Apophis, and it's coming to get us. Renamed Osiris Apex spacecraft to study Apophis asteroid during the close encounter with Earth on April 2029. So we're going to have eyes in the sky. And that's good news because scientists are considering some crazy stuff here. Take a look at this headline. Scientists are considering using nuclear explosions to stop asteroids, according to a new study. Well, nuking an incoming asteroid would spew out X-rays and potentially break it up into more pieces, making it ever more deadly. I wonder if that's in the new model. Guys, if you have clear skies tonight, you need to get out and look up. It's December's cold moon, and it's peaking right now. It's the last full moon of 2023, and it will reach its peak tonight. Now, the moon will appear full for another day or so, But it is in fact full tonight, 7:33 p.m. on Tuesday, according to the Farmer's Almanac. The full moon is unique for its high sky trajectory compared to the low sun. The moon remains above the horizon longer than any other point of the year because of this. Jupiter and Saturn will also be visible Tuesday night as the moon emerges, and it has emerged here, and it is spectacular. What else is spectacular is, well, missing Malaysian flight MH370 could be found in days after they've been looking for a decade, according to a new search. Now, why is this all coming up now with the Ashton Forbes information out there? They may, in fact, be trying to cover it up, and that's a boom to knowledge. I hope everyone had a wonderful Christmas season, and it's not over. We have New Year's coming up in just a week here, so I hope everyone is enjoying the transition to 2024. It's going to be a wild one. Please share this video as we are shadow banned. We need your help to grow. YouTube has removed one of our channels, Sacred Geography, so that no longer exists. And we'll be putting up that content on our Rumble channel, which does exist because they do not censor. We love each and every one of you. Be safe and Merry Christmas. That's a boom.